On February 1st, 2004, the 38th Super Bowl was held and has become infamous for Janet Jackson's malfunction during the halftime show. Months later, on December 22nd, the third largest earthquake occurred around the communities bordering the Indian Ocean, causing havoc in the surrounding area. Now, what did these two events have in common, you might ask? Well, these two events, combined with the desire to create a video-based dating site to compete with Hard or Not, led to the creation of YouTube, a website dedicated to allowing users to upload videos. YouTube was officially launched on December 15th, 2005, but went online many months prior on February 14th, and rapidly developed during the course of the year, with the first video being uploaded on April 23rd, the site being launched publicly sometime in May, and even the first video to reach 1 million views being uploaded on October 21st. YouTube first gained traction between the site's activation and official launch, but didn't gain strong recognition until unofficial uploads of the Lonely Island's Lazy Sunday gained a stronghold, resulting in awareness of the video platform. Soon enough, YouTube became a way for unknown people to gain popularity almost overnight, and led to the spread of viral videos across the website. The video platform became so popular that by the end of 2006, the site was receiving 100 million video views per day compared to 2005's 8 million. YouTube was purchased by Google on October 2006, which paved the way for the website's further expansion. For example, in May 2007, they launched a well-known YouTube Partner Program, which allows creators on the platform to earn revenue via Google's AdSense system. During this time, YouTube also struck deals with major media companies to bring their content onto the platform. This helped the website grow even more, and by 2007 it grew so much that in July 23rd and November 28th of that year, two presidential debates were broadcast by CNN on the site, going to show how much YouTube was becoming a staple in popular culture. From 2005 to 2010, YouTube was a place where drama was relatively, and I mean relatively, infrequent, and a place that was an actual rating system, and given the internet culture of the time, YouTube seemed to be a very fun place to be around. However, that isn't to say YouTube was free of any controversies around that time. As aforementioned, drama wasn't entirely absent, and in addition to that, some problems with YouTube that seem to be a commonplace today really begun in this early age. For example, allegations of small YouTube partners not getting paid enough, combined with corporate influence and copyright problems, while minimal, did plague YouTube in these early days. That being said, one could argue that these problems did not gain strong ground until later, but that's for another part. Anyway, with YouTube's launch in 2005, its popularity would ultimately change the way people would consume entertainment, and it will also have an impact on popular culture, something that we will discuss next time on YouTube Nation. Thank you all for watching this first part of YouTube Nation. Again, new parts every second Saturday of the month, and we'll see you next time.